Benjamin Franklin designed for himself a plan for building character that certainly seems to have been successful in many respects. He identified 13 character qualities that he felt he needed to improve in his own life, and he devised a method of focusing his attention on each one of those qualities for 1 week at a time. Thus, during a year's time, Mr. Franklin would go through his entire list 4 times. From Benjamin Franklin's plan, we learn the value of focusing our attention on one character quality at a time. During that time, we should seek to understand as much as possible about the character quality, what it really is, how it has been illustrated in positive and negative ways in history, how it can be applied to our own life situations. We should also attempt to live our lives as if we fully possess the character quality upon which we are focusing. We should be aware of how the character quality, or the lack of it, is demonstrated in the lives of those around us and evaluate the results and consequences we see in their lives. Each of us can, as Benjamin Franklin did, undertake to improve our own character. We can intentionally seek to build good character qualities into our lives and the lives of our family members. Like Benjamin Franklin, we can study one character quality at a time and apply what we learn in our lives.